This is Gemini Diffusion, the new, actually not so new technology that is now being used by the Gemini LLMs. So this is basically going to make AI to be significantly faster than just the regular auto-regressive method. Now, let me show you one example. I'm going to create, let's say, a snake video game. Let's create a snake video game. And let's send that message to Gemini Diffusion, and you'll see that it will generate the full game in just a few seconds. There you go. So the game is basically done. It is kind of functional, although it's very simple, but the game is totally functional. And it is able to create this game in just about 2 seconds. So that's insane. You can use the same prompt on, let's say, Gemini 2.5 Plus or Gemini 2.5 Pro, but it won't give you the same performance. Maybe the game will be more detailed and look prettier, but it's not going to be as fast as Gemini Diffusion. Because again, Google is using a new, again, not so new technology. It is actually the same technology that's being used by AI image models like Stable Diffusion, where they start with a bunch of noise and then AI will refine the noise into something that is actually resembles something. And the same is true for LLMs. They start with some random text that has no meaning, but eventually AI will refine and it will turn the random text into something that is actually meaningful and readable. So that's the basic idea of this technology. Now, in case you're wondering how do you can access Google Gemini Diffusion, right now Gemini Diffusion is still in experimental phase. It's not yet available for the public. But if you are interested to join the waitlist and you want to try this new technology on Gemini, then you can go to this form. I'm going to copy this, and by the way, the link of the form will be available in the video description. But basically, you have to enter your info like your name, your Gmail account, your occupation, location, and many other things. And after that, hopefully in the next few days, you'll receive this email from Google DeepMind telling you that your access to Gemini Diffusion is now open. You can click this button, and basically they're going to give you this message, and you have to click agree and continue, and then only then you can access Gemini Diffusion. Of course, you can use it as a regular AI. It will answer basically any question, and it can create a mini app, a website, a mini video game, and many other things. So I guess I'm not going to explain everything that you can do, but it is basically the same as any other large language models. Although keep in mind that right now it is still using Gemini 2.0 Flash Lite, so it is not the smartest AI at the moment. The only thing that they focus on the technology is actually the speed, which is something that could be the future of large language models. So that's how you can access Google Gemini Diffusion using the form that I'm going to provide in the video description. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.